Please stay tuned, friends, to learn how to make Ful Mudammas. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Ful Mudammas today. Soak 2 cups of fava beans overnight or for 8 hours. You can use the same recipe to make any bean dip and refried beans too. Pick and discard all the beans that haven't soaked. I'll be pressure cooking the beans in an instant pot. Add 4 cups of water, 1 large tomato cut roughly, 4-5 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of roughly chopped onion, 1 teaspoon heaped Ful Mudammas spice powder. Please click the link below in the description box for the recipe. 2 tablespoons full of oil. This will help the beans cook perfectly. Place lid on instant pot and close valve to seal. Select the bean chili button. Friends, if you'll be using a pressure cooker, then cook the beans on medium-low until the beans are tender. Okay friends, beans are cooked perfectly. Now press the saute function key on the instant pot and adjust the temperature to less. Let this simmer until the water reduces to half. If you want, you can remove the tomato skin. This is optional. The water has reduced to half. Mash the beans with the potato masher. Friends, you can use a hand blender too. Now set the instant pot on slow cook. If you are using a pressure cooker to cook the beans, then reduce the flame to low. Keep mashing the beans. Add 1/4 cup of water and continue mashing the beans. If you like Ful Mudammas chunky, then you can stop. If you like smooth consistency of Ful Mudammas, then please continue to mash. This looks good. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Ful Mudammas spice powder. If you want this dip to be very rich or you want to make refried beans, then just add about 1/4 stick of butter and continue to simmer. I want my dip to be light, so I won't be adding butter. Continue to simmer them for 10 more minutes in an instant pot on slow cook setting. Simmering mashed beans on very low heat for a long period of time will make them creamy and delicious. Now let's see what all toppings we need for Ful Mudammas. Lightly roast few chilies and garlic on an open flame. Mash together gently in a mortar and pestle or use a fork. Keep it aside. Next, very lightly roast half an onion and one tomato. Chop them both along with little parsley or cilantro. Toppings are ready for Ful Mudammas. Adjust the salt. Let's prepare Ful Mudammas for serving. You can do this in individual bowls too. In a bowl, add hot mashed beans. Friends, see the texture of this dip. It should be like this because as it cools down, it will get thicker. Add the pounded garlic and chilies as per your taste. Give it a very light mix. Now add onions, tomatoes, parsley, and lime or lemon juice. Very lightly mix it. Add little salt to taste. Squeeze lime or lemon juice on top. Now pour a quarter cup of extra virgin or light olive oil. Give it a little shake. Okay friends, Ful Mudammas is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.